This is a story of one district, one factory, road to Ghana's industrialization. In the Hojo community in the whole municipal district of the Volta region of Ghana, this industrial edifice, Caltech Ventures Limited, a company operating under the One District, One Factory initiative, is adding value to Ghana's cassava produce.
As we know, cassava is a staple food in the country, and there is a lot of cassava grown across the country. Particularly in the Volta region in which we are, cassava is one of the produce that most of the farmers are into. Therefore, the siting of Caltech Ventures Limited within the Hojo community in the Volta region was to go further to tap into some of the produce that our farmers come up with.
To operate at full processing capacity, 70 tons of cassava is needed daily in this factory. Using high-starch variety of cassava, Caltech, under the Ministry of Trade and Industry's One District, One Factory initiative, is processing cassava into ethanol and carbon dioxide, absorbing the over $200 million the nation spends on importing cassava flour and ethanol.
Ethanol on its own has become a very, very essential commodity as we speak today, especially in these very trying times that we are in, where the protocols with regards to COVID-19 includes sanitizing our hands regularly. Ethanol has become a very, very essential and critical raw material.
Initial financial support was from the Exim Bank, facilitated by the One District, One Factory Secretariat in 2018. To get raw materials and harvested cassava produce to the factory, good roads are today available. It is as a result of funding facilitated under the One District, One Factory initiative. Heavy-duty tractors needed in plowing, planting and irrigating are now available on farms on Caltech's 3,000-acre land. Today, outgrowers have enough cassava seed to plant as a result of a multiplication project that enabled Caltech to tremendously increase cassava seed material. Their produce no longer go to waste as a result of the existence of a ready buyer. And for these women farmers in Hojo, working on a Caltech farm and earning a living is their source of joy.
Caltech donne dore ke penare mianu. Me va 2019 me. Me va Caltech indi me la kakana gandre je la varo dome. Me va mi pona jijo mi kuna un fine ka mi jena dogo me. Mi ave spavesa yo ke pona mi agbocha ole na bene mi klen ko kle jijo. Oko edoala ena edo jijo na mi ke bene mi va dome la jijo popo san ye kwele dome.
Under the One District, One Factory initiative, the existence of this ethanol production plant is empowering these young men and women in the Volta region with technical knowledge, contributing immensely to national development. The day-to-day running of this factory is solely operated by the locals.
I'm Mary Akofa-Ziga. I'm from Sogakope here in the Volta region. I'm currently in Caltech Ventures Limited as a quality assurance officer. I was employed 2018 by Caltech. My role as a quality officer here is to coordinate feedstock from the supply chain to the finished product and to maintain quality in our final products.
My name is Azuri Ebukari. I live in Volta region. I was employed as casual in Caltech in the year 2017. And as a casual, we help the operational process. So the casual does the manual jobs that cannot be done by the machine. It's a new setup. So we load the cassava into the hopper so that the hopper, from the hopper, the machines can now operate on its own by the operators.
I've gotten the opportunity to be among the first cassava to ethanol production in Ghana here. That helped me to build my skills and experience within the past 2 years. I can boast that I'm also a quality assurance officer anywhere I go.
Caltech under one district, one factory has helped me to learn a lot, which has improved on my life. And I'm thinking of by the next year, it will help me to get to a better stage, more than where I am today.
By virtue of the one district, one factory, Caltech today is existing. It is very strong. If Caltech hadn't been, I wonder what would have happened in this crisis when we cannot import the quantities of ethanol that we require. And therefore, I believe that the one district, one factory has come in at a very good opportune time to ensure that as a country we are able to sustain ourselves, we are able to produce our own goods and to be able to serve our economy.
Caltech in the Volta region is one of the many factories operating under the One District, One Factory initiative. From the north to the south, east to the western part of our country, the One District, One Factory initiative is a visible reality. Road to Ghana's industrialization.